seed starting setup in the greenhouse. Hello, welcome to 77's Garden, where we talk about gardening, ways to save money, and other special events. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get notified of all upcoming videos. Hello everybody, so today I'm going to show you my seed starting setup. Let's go. So here is my grow shelf right here. This is a grow shelf I built last year. I'll put a link to it in the description. You can build your own adjustable grow shelves like this to start seeds and to grow plants in there. So I covered the whole shelf with plastic. This is 6 mil plastic. I'll also put a link to the plastic in the description. So this helps insulate the this shelf from the temperature in the greenhouse. Even though it's warm in the greenhouse, I want it to stay warmer in the shelf right here so that the seeds can germinate and it can do much better. So we're gonna open it up and I'll show you how it's doing inside, and temperature is a little bit warmer inside there than outside in the greenhouse. So I also have another shelf here on this side that I just have my tropical plants and some other seeds inside here. So let's take a look and see how it's looking in there and what my setup is in there. So inside here in the shelf over here, as you can see, I have my containers over here. So what I've done is with this shelf right here, I have my grow mats over here. I have 2 grow mats over here. I have seeds that I'm trying to germinate in here. So you have this one right here. I have my peppers in there, and this one over here I have water leaf in there. This one, as you can see, the water leaf is trying to come out, trying to germinate. And so this over here, once the seeds, any tray that's completely germinated or has at least partially germinated, I move it from the grow mat to a shelf over here. You can see this one germinated already. Some of the seeds are still coming out, so I took this out. Same with this one over here. This one, some seeds started coming out already. This is pecan over here. Some seeds started coming out, so I took it off the grow mat. Up here, this is the first one that germinated. As you can see, it's done really well. Seeds have germinated. So I took it off the grow mat, and it's up here where it's a little bit warmer and gets enough sunlight. And up here above it, I have a few containers. I have this one here, this one here, and this one here. It's a lot warmer up here, so I have seeds that I want to germinate. I want to try to germinate. Since I have just 2 grow mats, I have them up here. They're gonna try to germinate with a warm temperature up here. And also when the heat mat is warming up over here, the heat goes up a little bit and provides it a little bit more heat up here for it to germinate. So that's how I set it up. And once they continue germinating, I'll keep moving them out of this grow station right here, the germination station, and move them to other areas of the shelf. And in here, in this shelf right here, the temperature is really nice. It's nice and warm. The plastic provides a little bit more insulation from the temperature in the greenhouse, and thereby making sure that I have some optimal temperature in here. I also have a heater right here. I have a little electric heater right here. I just put it to set a temperature of 45, just to make sure that in case temperature drops, it's not gonna drop below 45 in this grow tent over here in this shelf. So over here, let me show you some of the seeds. I have some pecan over here and some water leaf that's coming out over here too. And I have some other stuff that I planted over here, cucumbers and zucchinis over here. And down here you can see I have, this is huckleberry that came out, is doing good. I have some spices over here that are also doing great. Over here I have some other stuff that I planted, and they haven't germinated here. I have okra, I have some garden egg, I have some water leaf, in these containers over here. So I have quite a few things that are still to germinate, but the most important ones I have germinated already. In this other container that I have over here, I have tomatoes. So I have tomatoes up here. I have garden egg up here. I have more garden egg up here. That's gonna try to see if we can have them germinate. So that's my setup in this shelf right here. I'll show you another. I'll show you the other shelf and show you what's going on over there. Let me know in the comments what you think about my seed starting setup in the greenhouse, and hopefully you liked it. And also, if you have any questions, let me know. What I'm using, recycled materials to make sure that I still be able to germinate even without using the grow station. Over here, I'm using this styrofoam over here to germinate some seeds. I always use it every year, and it does a great job of insulating the seeds in here and helps germinate. So let's open it up and show you. So over here, as you can see, have some seeds have germinated. Some of them are anchia. Some of them I also planted pecan and water leaf in here. So some of them have germinated, some of them are still to germinate. So hopefully we'll see more of them germinate as time goes on. And over here I planted in this other container over here, I planted some more seeds in here. These ones is just recent, hasn't started germinating yet, but hopefully we'll see the results soon. I planted some water leaf in here. I also have some seeds coming out of old potting containers. The bags that I have over here, you can see some of the seeds that germinated already. Right there, huckleberries. You have water leaf. I have some onions in here, so they're all doing great. So this is another herb that started growing in the greenhouse in the winter, and we already started harvesting these herbs already, which is awesome. So they're gonna keep growing. We're gonna expand it to a bigger container. So here is the whole shelf. You can see the whole shelf right here. Like I said, this is an adjustable shelf. After the seed starting season, it turns into growing season. We're gonna adjust the shelves for the bigger pots and bigger containers. So if you want to check out that video on how I made this, I'll put a link in the description. And that is it for today. I hope you liked the video. If you like the video, please smash the like button. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. It helps the channel out. And don't forget to share with somebody that you think might like the video. Thank you so much for watching, and happy growing, everybody.